to another video. This is not a normal kind of techie video. I'm not using any of these old boys. No. We're doing a restoration kind of thingy here. So I've got this old like Apple charger. It's going to be a funny green colour. It's not mine. It's like snaggling and stuff. So basically I'm going to try and botch a repair on it. So I'm just going to be using this. Well, that's not a lot. I don't own a lot. So this is the best I can get my hands on. So this is a long video. It's not a long video. I can't change the length of this. Put quite a lot on. There we go. So now you've got to put that in and basically do this for the next half hour. Alright, some of the stuff's already kind of rubbing off after time already. So you can see that some of my charges have gone green as well, so we're going to do some other like repairs and stuff like that on the chargers because it's easy to do. So look. I'll rub it in there. So I'm going to put this on time lapse now while I do this. Yeah. Time lapse time, boy. Okay, so it's certainly not as bad as it was. It's not 100% perfect. I think parts of this is just general wear and I haven't got the things with me currently to completely fix up everything on this. So I've given it a couple of good polishes. I've cleared like the connector with all its dust. So from this angle, good as new really. Gets slightly worse here. It's that lippy bit. So look, I need to straighten this out somehow. I've just arrived it. So go from the top, pull down, and keep doing that because it's also cleaning it. So I'm going to hold this for a couple of minutes and it'll straighten. Yeah. Okay. So now I'm going to show you guys how to clean the connectors. So you have to get like a cloth like this, maybe not as damp, but this is a dry corner. Get like a furry bit on there. I'll put this in for you. Make light contact and just brush like that, like you're stroking a cat. And try and angle it correctly. So I would do it very hard up on top, very light on the sides, light on the sides, and then with lightning connectors you have to be very careful because obviously look, pins. So get it bigger, put it in. Right. So now what we're going to do is put in an iPhone. This is the iPhone SE. It's collected dust. I don't use it anymore. It's kind of been a dud phone for me. We're now going to try and charge it with this. So let's bring you over here. Let's grab one of my 5 spare chargers. You work. Okay, so I think my phone SE is dead anyway. So let's plug this in. So this cable wasn't working before, and it's charging. So you can see why it is charging. So yeah, it is charging. So the cable now works. I'll set up whether it's charged through that cable. Right, yeah, it charges. So expect maybe 1 or 2 more videos like this. I wanted to make, so I don't make many videos like this anymore, of just kind of talking to you guys and doing kind of restoring and doing parts. So I thought it'd be something new for me today. Well, not new, but something a bit of a throwback for you guys. I haven't really been doing much of this in my spare time at the moment. I've had to be doing school stuff. So I'm in year 7 now. God. If you live actually stay safe. Obviously you know what you know. And for the last bit, it's extremely wet. See, now we see colour coming back because I've let this kind of set now. We have colour. So, for some of you this video has been quite boring. I don't really care. I've enjoyed this. It's just something I wanted to do for a while and I've finally done it. As I did earlier. Pulled it off. Give it a little damp. Wash, shot, make that shiny. Thank you, Apple, for making these lovely chargers that I hate. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed all the time lapses and stuff in this video. Hope to see you again soon. Peace out. I think. Bye. Cut to the outro.